I'm Nick Altmeyer with linkinglewiscounty.com. We're here this afternoon at the Lewis County Sheriff's Office with Sheriff Mike Carpinelli, who just had a message that he wanted for the community. So go ahead, Sheriff.
Nick, thanks for coming up today and giving us the opportunity to speak to the community. What I want to say is, as your sheriff of Lewis County, is to thank the community for keeping a calm head, prevailing as we always do during certain so-called crises, and to tell everyone that your sheriff's office has taken the precautions in the beginning, continues to provide the services and the protection that the community needs and deserves. I want to thank my men and women in all parts of the office for being out there during this time, serving the community without interruption and without angst. If there's anything that the community needs, as always, continue to please call the sheriff's office. We're there for you. There is great strength here during this time, and a strong faith in the community and the people that work here, and how we collaborate with the local government in providing and keeping things moving. And I just want to reassure the people of the community that we're here for you 100%, 24/7 without interruption, and that this is nothing that we haven't seen in the past before, with anxiety from different media outlets, but we always seem to manage to keep a calm head when we look at common sense. And I basically wanted to tell everybody that thank you and remain calm, and we'll all get through this.
Okay, thank you, Sheriff. If you don't mind, just a couple of questions. Do you guys have, as far as like your interactions with the public, obviously your agency is one that can't really cut back a lot on your interactions with the public, so you're out on the roads and still doing patrols and things like that. So do you feel confident that your officers are equipped with all the tools and equipment that they need at this point, as far as, you know, gloves, masks, anything like that they might need?
Yes, I'll tell you. Along with great help from Emergency Management, Bob McKenzie, there has been the protective equipment afforded to us anytime we need it, anytime there's concern amongst the men and women that work here. We have all the, I would say, necessary items, i.e., hand sanitizer, bleach, masks, the protective gowns, if the situation arose where we need to go to any one of those levels to take care of the services that people call upon for us.
Okay. And also, we've started getting a lot of questions the last couple of days, and Lewis County has always been a welcoming place for tourists and things like that to come up here and enjoy our nature and outdoors. Lots of social distancing here in Lewis County. We're not a high density area, and a lot of people from the city and New Jersey and places like that own second residences up here, which
Correct.
We've started to see them come a little bit earlier this year. So just wondering if you have any message for people that are coming into the county from outside of the county that are opening up their camps. Maybe they're coming from an infected area or something like that. Do you have any recommendations for them?
Yeah, I mean, there's always a concern as we spread out amongst our state population, or even leave the state. As you know, we have people from New York going down to Florida. I would just ask anybody coming into here, the same as if we were heading out of the state, to be responsible in their contact. We're not going to say that we're not welcoming anybody here. Should you come to your summer camps and your houses and that, of course, we want to see people come here, but just please use the cautions to keep themselves safe from the virus, as well as the people of this community when you come here to be part of our community again. I don't think anybody is angry or upset with anybody wanting to protect their family as well, from the downstate area coming into upstate. Remind everybody, we're all, as they say, the word New Yorkers. It doesn't mean New York City. It means the entire state of New York. Mm-hmm. And when we come together, just respect each other's boundaries, and keep the distance with the virus as they've instructed. So yeah, we're glad to have everybody come up. Mm-hmm. Like I say, once again, just respect the community's wishes here. as to being safe and not transmitting the virus.
All right. Well, thanks for your messaging today, Sheriff, and we really appreciate everything that the Sheriff's Office and the deputies and the dispatchers and everything like that are working overtime to provide the community with that, protection that they expect. So we appreciate your time today, and stay safe, Sheriff.
Thank you, Nick, very much.